it's me again. What else is new today? Short video. I'm going to be. Oh, I was upgraded in the world. I went and ordered myself a wireless microphone because I'm sick of fucking plugging the goddamn thing in. I also, when it comes to computers, I had to buy a USB 3.0 adapter to USB-C adapter to get my hard drive to work on a fucking Mac. I had to buy a USB adapter to USB-C adapter to get my fucking phone or whatever to work on the Mac. I had to get a USB-C adapter to Lightning to get the Mac to work with the fucking Apple phone. What is with Apple? You couldn't just put a regular USB fucking thing on the computer? No, you gotta put everything. I understand, like, USB-C is, like, probably the greatest things in sliced bread, but for fuck's sake, like, could you just, put, like, we live in the modern world. If you're gonna charge billions of dollars for a little fucking thing, you could add a few ports to it. What is it gonna cost you, like, to put a couple of ports on a goddamn laptop? What else? I think that's it for pretty much updates. I'm probably gonna. It's raining out, so I'm gonna do something. I don't know. It's kind of rainy and dreary, so I'm gonna work on something rather. What do you call it? Boring tonight. I'm gonna finally fix the switch on the Wolf grinder. I'm gonna take it apart again, see if I can't not blow myself up on the capacitor. And because I got all the switches, I want to get that done, get it away, and it's easy peasy. Make a little video of that. Also, I was planning on doing something outdoors, but my wife borrowed most of my sunny day, and I did something else with the kids. And I was going to use the little saw and rip something of the shit, but I'll save it for a nice day. It's going to be nice out eventually anyway. Anyway, that's just a little update.